Hello guys, welcome back to Floaty's Kitchen. If this is your first time of meeting me, please subscribe, leave your comments and share. To my returning subscribers, I want to say you're very welcome and thank you very much. I appreciate you all. For today's cooking, we have couscous in the kitchen. Guys, stay tuned if you want to know how I get this result. Couscous is a very simple recipe to prepare, very delicious. Let me introduce you to the items. Hi guys, this is the couscous we're going to use for today's cooking. And I have some sliced meat, green pepper, yellow pepper, and red bell pepper, onion, green peas cubes, carrots, some seasoning, salt, all purpose, and my blended garlic and ginger paste. I'm starting with boiling water. I've added teaspoon salt and I'm adding butter. After boiling, you add the couscous and leave it to steam. This is how it looks like after steaming it. Give it a turn. I added some water and I think now it is ready. Mix it very well for all to combine and make sure you cook it very well. Make sure you steam it very well until it is cooked. Some will just turn the couscous and add hot water into it, little bit of salt and some seasoning, and then you can cover it and allow it to steam also. Now for the stew, I fry my meat. Add my chopped onions. Added my garlic. Give it all a good mix for everything to combine. I've added my seasoning for taste, all-purpose powder. Everything I've added there is just seasoning. You can use your seasoning of your choice and mix well. Adding the carrots and the green peas. Mix well. Add a little bit of water and give it a good stir for all the seasoning to combine and relate to itself properly. After a few minutes of frying that meat and green peas carrots, we now add our peppers, yellow bell and green pepper. Also continue to mix for it to combine well, for all the seasoning to relate. And now that the water has dried, we introduce our couscous back into the vegetable stew. Looking at it, you will know it is well cooked. it is separated. Very tasty with that butter especially. Now you give everything a good mix. Everything has combined, and then add your chili peppers, green onions, and your corned beef, and just mix everything to combine for all the sweetness to relate to itself, and that's it. Your couscous is ready. This is how it looks like. Thank you guys for watching. Please comment. Stay tuned with me. If this is your first time to meet, please subscribe to my channel. I love you all. Have a lovely weekend. Thanks so much, and bye.